Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. Last video, the alley was a little too oily for my already oily combination skin. So the Biore won the first round for its more watery feel. This video, I will compare it to the Anessa. The plan will stay the same and apply this to half of my face and then this one to the other half and see which one I like better. I'll also try to include average prices per ounce from what I'm seeing on the internet and the stores around me. Let's go put on some sunscreen. It's been a few days and this comparison has been really hard because I like both of them. I would be happy using either one, but we do have to pick a winner, and that would be the Biore based strictly on price. When I was shopping, the Anessa ended up being 2 to 3 times more expensive, but really fast drying. I'll try to get a quick video of how droopy they are, and they feel and look the same when they're dry, but the Anessa dries very fast when I'm applying it, and this side already feels pretty matte versus this side still feels like it's drying, and I could see why it's double, triple the price compared to the Biore. That takes a little bit to work into the skin. And again, the Anessa over here is already feeling matte on my forehead when I'm using it. Compared to the Biore, it takes a little bit of time to work in. The Anessa also is slightly more fragrant. I don't like strong colognes or perfumes, and the Anessa is really nice. Definitely not as strong as a cologne or perfume, and the Biore to me just is a lighter smelling sunscreen, but that's very subjective, so I won't really put that into my calculation. Again, I would happily use either of these, but the Anessa dries very fast within a few seconds. I feel this arm is ready to go, but this one is still a little bit sticky. Takes a little bit longer to dry. It's been a few minutes and both of them have completely dried and feels about the same. I think the Anessa is a little bit more matte and feels a little bit nicer, but I don't think that's worth 2 to 3 times the price. If I could get this on sale and they're the same price, I would for sure buy the Anessa. But overall, I think Biore will be the one that I use on a regular basis. Now we have to go through the Korean ones, and whichever winner in those rounds, I will compare to this one. But for now, video 214 done.